Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
It's Kanpur's renowned and famous breakfast cum snack Maska bun of Pahalwan ji, and believe me, what a treat it is. But before I treat you to it, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Break the misleading assumptions and presumptions and bless me with sharp sight, clear hearing and keen curiosity, far-sighted vision, true knowledge and deep wisdom. And now, waking up on the train as I am on a journey to Kanpur, and the morning is foggy. And when I arrive at Kanpur, then straight away, without wasting any time, is Maska bun at Pahalwan ji on the Mall Road at Kanpur. We were late as it was already 11:30 on a lazy Sunday morning, and most of Kanpur had already had their share of Maska bun. And Maska bun, just for the sake of information, is the most favorite breakfast or snacks at Kanpur. There are various varieties of Maska bun at Pahalwan ji, and one after the other we tasted them. What were those varieties? I'll be showing you. Look at this. A very soft bun, very smooth, not at all heavy on the stomach, accompanied by Kanpur's special curd-based drink called Matha. And what a combo it is. And now, let me show you how Maska bun is made. But before that, look at those beautiful buns. Remarkable, isn't it? This is a variety of buns. This is pineapple bun, the mango bun, the masala bun, the sweet bun, and so many type of buns. And this is how Maska bun is made. A bun is taken. It's already pre-cut, by the way. And now that's one heaped tablespoon of homemade white butter, and then there's another tablespoon now for some caster sugar and honey. So this is the sweet bun or the honey bun. But wait, it isn't all. This is the second layer, and this is the first heaped and the second heaped tablespoon of homemade white butter, and the caster sugar once again, and finally a little more caster sugar and a little more honey on the demand of the guest, that is. And the third layer is clapped and bun is served. So that's how the sweet Maska bun is made. And now look at that. The container is almost empty. Matha is gone, is finished. In the meantime, this shelf that you see is actually full of buns when Pahalwan ji comes in the morning. And since it's 12:30, the shelf is almost empty. But look at those beautiful buns. And now in the meantime, an order has come for mango Maska bun. There, that is the mango bun. And again, made a little differently. First, the syrup, then the butter, a slice of bun added, more butter follows, again 2 tablespoons, and the third slice, and it is served. And the orders continue on and on and on and on till the butter is finished and matta is finished, and it's time to go home. But I promise you, the undying memories of Maska bun of Pahalwan ji at Kanpur will linger on and on and on for times to come, immemorial and forever.
So, friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.